Hey guys, George Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Fantasia Golf. So what you see there is the swan, and there's the dolphin, and there's a dolphin reserve right there. Swan Reserve, Dolphin Reserve, what am I thinking? But across the water there, past that fountain, is Fantasia Golf, Fantasia Gardens Golf, and we're on our way to go play. Come on. So guys, we made our way through the parking lot, and we're now coming into Fantasia's Garden Mini Golf. Now this golf course is made up of two courses. One is a Fantasia themed mini golf like you're used to seeing, and the other is actually like a 3-par golf course. The holes are like real greens, no characters, and very, very, very challenging. So we're gonna do the Fantasia side. So come along with us. You guys take care. All right guys, so we made it. Now we are at the first hole. It is a par 3, and they have the music from the show. Now look, I just want to show you. We're going to take you on a quick tour. So this is what the hole looks like. It looks like a very interesting trumpet. So let's get down nice and low. So if you're the ball, you go up, and into this, and then it shoots you out here, and then you come out multiple different ways to come out to the hole, which is right there. And what is awesome is that's a music note. So that's the first hole. And that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. So guys, we're up to hole 6. It's another par 3, and listen, what I had not realized, I want to show you, is on each side of the music, it gives you a hint as to the best way to play the hole. As winter arrives, the fairies create a frost-covered pond where they can skate. The path on the left is where you should roll. Then watch as it waltzes down to the hole. So that is your trick. So guys, this is hole 8. This is the ancient Greece section. For you remember Fantasia, there's a section with Greece and unicorns, and so you go inside this little cavern, and it's the Pastoral Symphony. Hole number 8, and it says, within Mount Olympus, the opus unfolds, and what mythological creature it holds. When putting the ball, be careful to go straight through the pillars to the cavern below. So, real quick, that's where you start to Mickey, right? And you hit it, and you go, and you want to go through the cavern, and the hole is right there. So that's the hole. Let's see what we can do. Inside the hole, you get to the point, he comes out. You get